Hello, this is Shiny and welcome back to another episode of Thoughtful Leaders Thoughts on Education presented by College Dunia. Today we have with us Dr. Ekta Damani ma'am, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Public Health Dentistry, AMC Dental College. Welcome to our show, ma'am.
Thank you, Shiny.
To start this interview, first I would like to know a bit about your department and its offering.
Well, this branch, that is Public Health Dentistry, is different from all other branches in the dentistry, wherein the students are going to the dental department or the clinic and they are trained to treat that particular condition related to that particular specialty. While in this branch, we are exposing them to a public, that is a mass level, and we are training them that how they can diagnose the various dental diseases at the earliest level, and we are training them to educate the people that the people can take the measures by themselves to prevent the dental diseases. So in short, we can say we are working towards educating or creating the awareness in the public about the dentistry and treating the dental diseases at the earliest level.
Right, ma'am. So, ma'am, moving to my next question. So, what are the valuable insights of the programs your department offering at your institute?
We are training the students to organize the different camps. We are doing the camps in collaboration with the different societies, different NGOs, with the differently abled or the specially abled people, for the geriatric people, for the school children. So in all the camps, the students are trained to how they can organize, how they can conduct, and how they can educate the people to prevent the dental diseases. Apart from that, the department is running tobacco cessation center, wherein the students are trained to help the patient to quit the tobacco habits. And as research is the demand of the hour, we are training the students to carry out the various research activities at the undergraduate level. Every year in the internship program, the undergraduate students are taking up the survey projects or the research projects, and we are guiding them to carry out the various research projects.
Okay. So, ma'am, how does the program ensure the students are being prepared for the future?
Well, as I have said that by doing all these activities, we are training them to be an excellent dentist. Apart from that, we are training them to be an excellent administrator, as well as a therapist who provides the tobacco cessation services. And in the current evidence-based research scenario, we are training them to be an excellent research officer, so that can be absorbed everywhere in the to carry out the research, as well as to in the data analysis.
Right. So moving to next question. Ma'am, my question is now, how did you train yourself and the faculties to deliver these programs to the students, ma'am?
Well, it's a very nice question. In the education institute, the teachers have also get upgraded their knowledge to be in par with the current situation. So we, all the staffs of public health dentistry, are enrolling ourselves, and we are going to be a part of the various conferences, seminars, workshops, as well as we are doing some short-term courses also to upgrade our knowledge. The staffs are also conducting the research independently apart from guiding the students, and we are publishing the research papers in various national and international reputed public index journals. The masters or the MDS faculties are motivated to get enrolled in the further studies, that is to pursue PhD as well.
Okay, ma'am. So, what are the type of projects students are working on through these programs in your department?
As we are dealing with the public, we are training the students to make the projects which can help the layman or the general public to get aware about the dental diseases, like common ways by which the people can diagnose the dental diseases, what are the common signs, symptoms, how they can be aware, and what the steps they can take to prevent it, and how the things can get treated. So the students are making all these projects in the form of leaflets, pamphlets, charts, as well as 3D models, and sometimes through various PowerPoint presentations also.
Okay, right, ma'am. So, moving on to my next question, what are the benefits and career options after pursuing this program or course from this department?
I can say that like we all know that government is right now working very hard to provide the dental services to all the cadres of the individual, regardless of caste and grade. So like if you are having an expertise in this subject, you can get easily absorbed in these various government run schemes or programs to deliver the dental care at their doorsteps, and to be a part of that program to reduce the burden of dental diseases, as well as I'm said that we are training or exposing the students to the research activities. So in the current evidence based scenario where the research is must, everything is all research based, if they are expertise in the research activities, they can get easily absorbed as an epidemiologist, research analyst officers, or as a data analyst in various government run programs or in the private companies. Apart from that, the students at an undergraduate level who has an sound knowledge of this specialty can get pursue MHA, that is Masters in Health Administration, or MPH program, and get absorbed or placed at various places.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, we have come to an end of this interview. So, to end this interview, I would like to ask that any advice or suggestion you have for students and current youth generation.
First of all, thank you, Sayani, for providing this opportunity to have this wonderful interview. The advice which I would like to give to the youth is that if you are planning to pursue your career in dentistry and you are searching for various institution or colleges, see for that staff pattern, the qualification of the staff, as well as the clinical outflow in that college, as dentistry is just not a theoretical exposure. You are trained in the dentistry to deal or treat the patient during your curriculum, and once you have chosen dentistry as your field and you are in it, be focused and give your 100% and try to get maximum knowledge in this your formative years. And as there is no shortcut to the success, if you do a hard work, it will always paid off to you in your formative years in the next years. Thank you.
Right, ma'am. Thank you for your interview. Thank you so much, ma'am, from College Dunia.